How to download Brawlhalla app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download this application. First of all, open your Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Tap on search. Now, here on the top at the search bar, search for Brawlhalla. So it will pop up in the first. Tap on it. So this is the application that we are installing. Make sure that this is the right one. You can verify by seeing the logo and also verify by seeing this company's name, Ubisoft Entertainment. Now here on the bottom, tap on this install button. It will take some time. So what is Brawlhalla app? It is a fighting game where you can have multiplayers and other online players. So it is a fun game that is associated with Supercell also. Now it will take some time, so you can directly install it and play the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.